This error message can prevent you from saving files on Windows, but don't fret, as there's a quick fix you can follow. So first, we recommend running a system file checker scan and also running a check disk scan. To do so, open Command Prompt with admin rights, enter the following commands one by one, press enter, and your computer will make a thorough scan. Next, uninstall the ASUS Data Security Manager software by opening Services, locate the ADSM service, right-click on it, and select Stop. Next is to perform a clean boot. To do it, search msconfig, select System Configuration, go to Services tab, select Hide All Microsoft Services, and then click on Disable All. After that, open Task Manager, and then one by one, disable each app under the Startup tab. Then go back again to the Startup tab in the System Configuration, then select OK. Now on your next restart, the Windows will be launched in the clean boot environment. And for your last resort, perform a Windows factory reset by going to Settings, click System, choose Recovery, then click Reset PC next to Reset this PC to get started. And those are the possible ways in fixing this error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.